Halo guys, welcome back guys. Ada yang baru nih kolektornya. Siapa nih, Lilia ya? Oh, Arif. Langsung aja kita ranked. Coba ya, dark systemnya belum gue klaim tuh ya. Katanya itu dark system guys.
A hero. Your team is banning.
Mas Andi, mana Mas Andi?
The enemy is picking.
Two greatest inventions.
Hope will find a way, even when all is forlorn.
Come on, Dexter.
The enemy is picking.
Serve the spotlight. A dead patient is a good patient.
I'm born with
Your
talent.
team is picking.
Langsung Gwyn bro, lawannya Gwyn Roger.
May the world come to life.
This will sting.
The
You
enemy
have
is
my word.
Where there is light, there are
Waduh,
also shadows. Let's go.
Your team is picking.
Dia tipis-tipis loh. Predrin gak sih, Predrin?
Sacrifice
Oh,
everything
Gusen.
for victory? Gladly.
Buset, Venom. Semoga aja error nih guidnya. Guide. Loginya error aja.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! Need assist, all troops deployed. Okay.
Alang join.
It is love
Jangan lupa di like.
alive. Take
Thank you.
Salah nggak sih lu? Ada pukul kayak gitu?
Okay.
They did not the expert.
Initiate retreat. First blood. Enemy missing. Enemy missing. Ally has been slain. Fear. Slain an enemy. Well played.
Anjir kagak mati bro.
Ollie
I was
Dapuk,
supposed to marry
dapuk.
him in this gown.
Ini tuh bus kematian ya guys ya.
Tears
Rumput
of
kematian.
sick of extravagant graces.
Ada Loi.
request backup.
Loinya di situ ya.
For the fallen.
Nice. Loinya ini guys, ternyata guys.
Is on us. Shame on you.
Kayaknya dia Loinya belum ngerti yang apa? Stun 2 kali dah.
Well played.
Apa karena dia panik tadi? Error sih ini gue.
Killing spree. Initiate retreat. Enemy double kill.
Error nih.
Killing spree. Backup.
For Necrokeep.
Astaga error cuy ini gue.
Slain.
Tuh,
Ally has been slain.
tuh.
Does it expect such a painful goodbye?
Kena air guys.
Gather at the turtle. Request backup.
It is a
Tuh.
blessing to
The
bloom.
enemy has slain the turtle.
We hold our ground. Shame on you.
Bentar.
Mind your steps, visitor. For Necrokeep,
gara-gara kena air harus dimatiin dulu guys.
Ult is not ready. You have slain an enemy. Launch attack.
Use a blessing to bloom and to
Lipat tuh kita tuh.
Gather up the turtle.
Lah, dia ini malah ngelompatin situ gua. Keluar gua. Wait a minute. Ya lebih terang kan? Lebih terang nggak sih?
Ult is ready. Ally has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed. Unstable network. For the foe. Down. Ult is not ready. Our turret is under attack. Ult is not ready. We hold on ground. You have slain an enemy.
life wasted. Or necromancy.
Aman aja guys.
I need to tend to my people.
Your team destroyed a turret.
I'll be the beacon that guides Necrokeep through the dark.
We hold our ground. An enemy has been slain. Killing
Think
spree.
twice before you lay your fingers on us.
Request backup. Battle spell is cooldown.
This is not
Halo buat yang nonton, jangan lupa di like ya adik-adik. Wih,
shame on you. Taste despair.
Okay. Okay.
di kiri dia.
Initiate retreat.
Such extravagant graces.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Maksa kali dapetin turret cuy.
Good game. Take down the Lord.
Taste despair. For the fallen. fall.
Buset, buset. Sabar, sabar, kan kalau mau ngelor kan clear dulu kan kita kan.
For one day, Necrokeep will bathe the daylight.
Take down the Lord. Ally has slain Lord.
There are memories time does not erase.
Sabar nggak sih, jangan di clear nggak sih?
Life wasted.
Gasin, gasin, gasin.
Your team destroyed the turret. Launch attack.
Winnya gini drag system bro. Moonlight.
Painful goodbye.
I'm Moonlight.
Destroyed the turret.
Is cold and hostile.
Di sini sebenarnya enaknya ininya nih pakai Domi.
Initiate retreat.
Cuma kalau Domi nggak ada cooldownnya dia.
I'll be the beacon that guides Necrokeeps in the dark. Shame on you. Tears and laughter. Such a turning is greatest.
Sorry. Fear.
Sakit banget ya.
Initiate retreat.
Busion nggak bisa juga masuk. Sakit banget bro, sini direct.
Mega kill.
Despair will be dispelled.
An enemy has been slain. Gather up the Lord.
It is a blessing to bloom and to wither.
Battle spell is ready. Ult is ready. Gather up the Lord. Hold on.
Dia lo pek sana bro, yang dapat bro.
Slain an enemy. Initiate retreat.
My people are calling to me.
Back up. Wait for me.
In memory of the fallen.
Ganti Domi dah bro.
Launch
N. Pihak lawan mengakui kekalahan guys.
Victory!
Gimana pihak lawan mengakui kekalahan adik-adik. Mana ini? Gas lagi adik-adik. Ntar gue coba make ini aja lesnya kali ya. Prism Live Studio.
Your team is banning.
Buset ada X-Rap bro. Siapa itu X-Rap? Rap siapa itu guys?
Please ban a hero.
Di road roaming ya dia. Sakit sih gue kemarin lihat.
Your team is picking.
Kemarin videonya siapa ya lewat tuh? Di road roaming bro.
The night sky tells
The
all.
enemy is picking.
Light me up and watch the world burn!
The falling stars brought us here.
Your team is picking.
Ke sana kali ya.
Hope will find a way, even when all is forlorn.
Kalau nggak fake sana, Gord enak lawan Xbox. Kemarin gue Septimal Florin tuh sakit banget
What's your
bro.
command? The enemy is picking.
Buset dia katanya males jungle dia. Ya ampun, ngetrol kan dia. Fanny Rom.
Chivalry is dead, and I will reverse it.
Your team is picking.
Biarin dah, mau dia Fanny Rom udah amat gua. Gue mah gak ngetik bacot gitu-gituan guys. Biarin aja udah. Kalau kalah baru report kalau kalah.
Army's on the way.
More than
The
a
enemy
weapon.
is picking.
It's not every day you see such a handsome dragon tamer like me.
Nah malah kagak ada red nih kan. Pusing gua. Aduh, kalah deh ini game. Kena troll lagi gue nih guys. Pusing kena troll gue.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed.
It is love that keeps us alive. It is a blessing to bloom and to wither.
We're behind in gold.
For one day, Necrokeep will bathe the daylight. Leap!
Entah siapa yang salah.
Tears and laughter. Such extravagant phrases.
First blood. That was amazing! Initiate retreat for the fallen. Slain an enemy. Shame on you. An enemy has been slain.
Tenang. Late game Lord kagak usah make retri bisa aja guys. Kali.
I'll be the beacon that guides Necrokeep through the dark.
Request backup. Well played. Request backup. The enemy has slain the turtle.
The silence of Necrokeep is too cold, too loud.
Apa lagi dengerin tuh?
I need to tend to my people.
Ya bener emang, jangan bacotnya dulu, mainnya dulu. Seperti yang gue bilang,
Has been slain.
kalau kalah baru report guys.
Well
If
played.
it helps.
Main aja dulu. Jangan lihat dihabisin link
We're
anjir.
behind in gold.
Tapi linknya goblok juga ya.
Fear! I was supposed to marry him. In this gown.
Well played.
For Necrokeep.
Ya haha, nafsu kali Wak. Nggak ada yang mau wakil itu kah?
Double kill. Request backup.
Blow on lu musuhnya cuy. Jangan sampai jadi ini musuh nih. Anjir gue udah di lock kok.
The enemy has slain the
Anjir emang kupra anjir tuh. Kupra sialan.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Ally has total down.
Terima kasih sudah bantu aku buff.
For Necrokeep.
Initiate retreat.
Berserius dulu guys.
Backup.
Understood.
Tim kambing ini.
Mind your steps, visitor. The Necrokeep is cold and
Oke.
Launch attack. Okay. Ult is not ready. Initiate retreat.
taste despair.
Well played.
Taste despair. There are memories. Time does not erase.
We hold our ground.
For the fallen.
Jai. Execute. Cerut, cerut.
Your team destroyed the turret. Request backup.
Ini kalau linknya bisa main sih dia mending jalanin lane cuy. Nah si itunya tuh jalanin lane tuh siapa? Clean.
Unstable. Launch attack.
Fear. There's no farther for us to fall.
Ult is ready. Battle spell in cooldown.
There are memories. Time
Our
does not
turret has
erase.
been destroyed.
Fear.
Ally has been slain. Ult is not ready.
Leap.
flicker lagi bro. Lu lihat Lingnya ternyata jago, dia bisa main dia cuy. Lagi-lagi gue nih guys yang jadi penentuannya guys.
Down. Our turret is an enemy has been slain. Launch attack. Or next has been slain.
Kena dong bro. Pukul Lord. Nah mantap Lord.
Killing spree.
Sakit banget Lingnya bro. Level 13 dia beda 3
We're
level.
behind in gold. Your team destroyed a turret.
Gas.
Launch attack.
Alah.
Despair will be dispelled.
An enemy has been slain.
Fear! For one day, the daylight.
Apa tuh ting bro? Ngelek kah?
My people are calling to me.
Request backup.
Shame on you. I need to tend to my people.
An enemy has been slain.
Gak usah NOD kali ya? Anjay, flicker ulti tuh dia.
Initiate retreat.
Taste the despair. It is a blessing to bloom, to wither.
Initiate retreat.
Kejar gue anjir.
Initiate retreat.
Dikejar aku Wak. Ngeri kali.
My people are calling to me.
Nice. War 5 kita menang ya bro. Apa karena dia nggak ada link dia?
Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain. Killing spree.
There's no farther for us to fall. Fear! The silence of Necrotine is too cold, too loud.
Anjir, jago cuy Fanny cuy.
If it helps.
Request backup.
I need to tend to my people.
Initiate retreat.
Sampai nggak sih brother?
Initiate retreat.
Anjir, ngeri banget bro, linknya bro.
Launch attack.
Waduh, sebenarnya sama-sama jago cuy, asal Fanny Retri aja tuh.
Well played. Request backup. Initiate retreat. Slain. Request backup.
It's such a painful goodbye.
Request backup.
Dah dapet dia.
An ally has slain
For once, the Necrophilia faces the daylight.
Request backup. Retreat. Okay. Initiate retreat. Request backup.
Kita fokus belakangnya. Menang kah guys? No retry cuy. Menang no retry anjay. No retry menang loh. Emang public ini.
Victory!
Buset, Matilda sih bagus banget ini guys. Gua di lock mulu maling kambing. Dia enak, hero belakang tebal semua. Gua adu nasib kita bro, ya kan, adu nasib kita bro. Ya ada temen gue nih mah, ada dark system udah nih. Udah guys, dark system ini guys fix. drag system ini.
Please ban a hero.
Hero culik gua udah hilang. Ke barat ada yang makan.
The enemy is picking.
For honor!
Your team is picking.
Wah, dia tigreal sih. Masa tigreal sama apa nih dia nih? Gorta gua.
There's no time to chit-chat. Victory is in sight,
The enemy
soldier.
is picking.
Kata gua dapat.
No one can escape my iron fist.
Let's play together.
Your team is picking.
Mission completed. Sweet adventure starts.
The enemy is
Sementara ini enak sih gua. Lihat-lihat pick Florin guys, drag system udah ini.
Valor and royalty in a dead body. It's our
Your
showtime.
team is picking.
Lumayan enak kayak gue ya.
I might not be a lighted man, but I do know my traits.
Bede di mana aja? Bade kemana? Bandung ya dia berarti ini. Oh dia nanyain orang. Waduh, Tigreal kayak pro banget nih Tigreal nih. Namanya udah pro banget ya kan. Berarti 221 nih.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the
Itu canggihnya
battlefield.
tech speed.
Smash them! All troops deployed. Request backup.
Ngambilnya skill 2 dong. Skill 1 enak mah.
Watch the bushes for arrows.
Face yourself.
Launch attack!
Mystic magic is so wonderful.
Let's get the turtle.
Launch
Imagination is the driving force of
Watch
the
the
enemy.
bushes for ambush.
Initiate retreat. First blood.
Tapong dia lewat umur.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Launch attack.
Go, or I'll destroy you.
Enemy has slain the turtle.
Okay.
Launch attack. Double kill. Initiate retreat.
Open your mind.
Watch the bushes for ambush. Watch the bushes for ambush.
Stop this. Go, or I'll destroy you.
Enemy missing.
Wait for me.
Imagination is the driving force of the enemy.
Launch attack. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Mystic magic is so wonderful.
Ally has been slain.
Bear my wrath.
Tarik juga bro.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Ya, miss dia. Kalah di ini game guys. Yes.
Never learn.
Has slain the turtle. Ult is not ready.
I'm not a monster.
Aduh.
Ally has been slain. Enemy rampage.
Open your mind. Bear my face your
Slain an enemy. Initiate retreat.
Buff lu.
Attack. Request backup.
imagination is the driving force of the enemy.
Initiate retreat. Ult is not ready.
Janganlah barat sosokan. Bingung banget ya gue udah kalah level loh. Kalah level udah 2 level bro.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready. Dominating.
Nih kau lihat aja anjir.
You have slain an enemy.
Midnya aja cang, bro. Di push kita. Midnya dapat pusing udah.
You will never learn.
Kan gue bilang ya, solo aja lagu lah.
Hang in there. Our turret has been destroyed.
Solo meskipun diterlamatin juga masih tanggung jawab ya guys.
Wait up!
Launch attack.
Jaga rasa.
Rampage.
Open your mind. Or I'll destroy you.
Ya,
Turret
lah.
under attack. Initiate retreat. Our turret has been destroyed.
Face yourself.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Our turret is under attack. Killing spree. Ult is not ready. Enemy has slain Lord. Initiate retreat is not ready. Mega kill. Your team attack turret.
Bayangin cang E-nya lu lihat tuh text speed dia. Apa patung?
I'm not a monster. I'm a demon. Imagination is the driving force of the energy.
マップ確認
Face yourself.
Nice. Tinggal Leo, Leo ditabrak Leo mati bro. Kayak Leo lagi buff dah, tangan bener kan? Nice. Setun lah. Nah, gitu dong. Lompat. Lompat keluar nih.
let him go, or I'll destroy you.
Request backup. Gather up the Lord.
Face your
Request backup. Understood. Gather up the Lord. Request backup. Request backup.
pissing me off, or I'll destroy you.
Triple kill.
Awas bro, ya ilah.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Our turret's under attack. Initiate retreat. Initiate request backup. Initiate retreat. Ult is not ready.
Mundur cok, mau stopnya ngapain depan-depan gitu bro?
Open your mind.
Ult is not ready.
Imagination is the driving force of the energy.
Initiate retreat.
Mau stopnya ngapa dah?
Ready. Has been slain.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Emang mau stopnya agak lain ini.
Attack ready.
Udah gue dibuka ulti lagi bro. Mas di back di ini. Leo mati nggak Leo? Belum.
Launch attack. Request backup. Slain.
Dari mana? Anjir.
Attack the Lord. Attack the Lord.
Lord,
Attack the Lord.
woi.
Launch attack. Attack the Lord.
Apa ya orang itu?
Launch attack.
lama kali lu tinggal ngelor doang tadi.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Defend the high ground.
Tolonglah bro. Kagak pakai itu kan sih dia. Nggak pakai purif. End mid. Ada minion kan? Baras lu beli darah barat. Oh, udah.
Well played.
Ya, masuk. Anjay malah situ masuknya bro, ditarik dong. Anjay, minionnya ditarik yang masuk guys. Kelas.
Victory!
Itu kalau dari tadi gua nggak jaga badan mati gua guys. Salah ini game. Kelas nggak adik-adik? Apakah benar ini supply harian ini dark system guys? Itu di kupingnya Cip ada angka 5 ya? Ducati emot BP nih, emot BP udah lama banget bro. patung, patung berjalan dia. Gor. Ya ampun, lama banget lu. Berapa kali nggak masuk dia. Apalagi FF. Tereng. Waduh. Dia nih.
Please ban a hero. Your team is banning.
Nggak ngeban.
The enemy is picking.
Tereng. Oh, Julian di buff. Pansannya sakit
It is
banget
in
tadi.
despair that I
Please
see
pick
the
a hero.
Dia
forest
attack-nya naik,
close.
pasifnya naik. Satu juga.
Where Qinglong rises, grace falls like rain.
Ini jadi Isla kali gua. Lawannya Nathan.
Come on, Dexter. It's our showtime.
Enemy is picking.
It's time to go to the RD show for some fun.
Still swords
Please pick a hero.
run deep.
Lingalung. Dia pasti dirot sih.
I am the power.
Iya, apa?
Night sky tells
Will
all.
instruct
Your team is picking.
Oh, Esme dia.
I see lots of prey.
Gor, siapa Roger? Kenapa jadi ngomong Gor, anjay gua. Wih, Jawa Barat Kagura, bro. Sukarami di mana tuh Sukarami? Buset, aja masuk cakung dia. Karena City dia. Aduh, kenapa bargain hunter ya? Mending apa? Pull yourself. Weapon Master berarti mau jadiin damage ini dia.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Janganlah rusuh dulu adik-adik.
Ally has been slain. Launch attack. An enemy has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Light into darkness. It's just a moment away.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Okay.
Request backup. Launch attack. Request backup. Launch attack.
Mati dia linknya. Mainin gue deh.
Slain. Attack the turtle.
Udah mati.
Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat.
History has long forgotten me.
Ult is not ready.
Flicker gua kepake bro. Rugi. Tarik tadi bisa turtle kita.
Stole the blueprints, passed down by 1,000 generations.
Attack the turtle. The enemy
Watch the
has
bushes
slain
for
the
ambush.
turtle. Ult is not ready. Attack. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack. Ult is not ready. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
How can I go back?
Ult is not ready.
History has long forgotten.
At least beli ini dulu dah.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Enemy, wait up!
Consumed me.
Enemy missing. Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready. Initiate retreat.
The world
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain.
darkness.
Sorry. An enemy has been slain. Ult is not ready. Ult
Flame
is not
shootnya nyasar cuy.
attack. Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready. Ult is ready. Ult is not
Lihat map nggak sih mid?
Ult is not ready. Company slain. Attack the turtle.
I go
Retreat from the turtle. Request backup.
Bisa mati ternyata semuanya.
Ult is ready.
darkness.
The enemy has slain the turtle. Okay. Enemy double
semuanya berarti damage ya. HP nggak sih lu penuh lagi darah gue bro.
Ult is not ready. Enemy missing. Enemy missing. Ult is not ready.
MM-nya dulu harus dipaksa sih itu.
Our turret has been destroyed. Initiate retreat. Ult is not ready. Sorry. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Request backup. Our turret has been destroyed.
Kusurit ya kusurit ya. Ah nggak bisa dong.
How can I go back?
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Itu harus paksa Nathan dulu bro.
Launch attack. Ult is not ready.
The world should be shrouded in darkness.
Bisa tuh dibuka itu.
Has been slain. Killing spree. Our turret is under attack. Killing spree. Launch attack. Battle belt.
Linknya nggak mati tadi. Halo Bang Crack. Halo halo.
Team destroyed a turret. Ult is not ready.
How can I go back?
Ult is not ready. Launch attack. Mega kill. Ult is not ready. Mega kill. Good job.
Sabar nggak sih?
Retreat. Ult is not ready.
Ada Link yang jagain masalahnya bro.
Blueprints
Wait up.
passed down
Launch
by
attack.
1,000 generations.
Ult is not ready.
Nih gue openin mapnya nih.
Should be enshrouded in darkness.
Your team destroyed.
Sagurannya emang jago sih guys.
Request backup.
Mid.
History has long forgotten me.
Sakit banget siapa itu?
Light to darkness is just a moment away.
Nggak usah. Pemain medis siapa sih Nathan ya?
Battle spell is ready. Launch attack.
Who stole the blueprints passed down by 1,000 generations?
Request backup.
History has long forgotten me.
Ingat ya, kita harus masuk ke MM nya guys ya.
Kill.
Ini pen error tadi flicker gue. Gak usah flicker harusnya sih, gak apa-apa lah. Yang penting dapat.
Team destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret.
Nathan buang flicker dia.
Victory.
Mancing-mancing buang flicker dia. Rugi lah. Ada Lord lagi. GG sih Kalita Kagura. Sakit banget ya dia. Bentar lagi lah kayaknya gue nih segame nih. Season ini banyak yang solo ini gua. Nggak pernah squad sih. Bertiga tuh.
Please ban a hero.
Oh tadi Mang Oleh.
Your team is banning.
Nah Lili yang tadi kah itu ada ding.
The enemy is picking.
Lah iya bener Lili yang tadi bro. Dia main Lilia sama EB. EB siapa dia?
It's not every day you see such a
Your
Lah
handsome
iya Lili. Ini ketemu Lili yang tadi nih guys.
It's time to go to the RT show for some fun.
Lilia yang tadi dia. Kalah dia tadi.
Welcome to my hunting
The enemy is
ground.
picking.
Solo juga dia ternyata guys. Ah dia main Goldland dong. 50 game Goldland.
There's no time to chit-chat.
I will choose my own path.
Please pick a hero.
Need some stitches? I can.
Ah lihat-lihat ngetroll kan. Ngapain lagi Johnson? Coba tuh lihat ya, lihat.
Time and tide wait for no man, nor girl.
Let's see. What's been his
Please pick a hero.
disadvantages? 10 years.
Tadi gue belum lihat ininya ambil. Kok pakai ginian ya dia, pakai revitalis ya? Lemot jalannya kalau pakai revitalis kan. Ya, mat yang tadi kah mat? Kayaknya yang tadi mulu cok anjay. Sabar gue lagi ngeliat next yang tadi. Oh bukan.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5
Bukan, guys,
seconds
bukan yang
till
tadi,
the
guys.
enemy
Mat.
reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Siapa sih Arlot lawan gue?
History has long forgotten me.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Gue belum pernah lawan Arlot sih, menang kagak ya?
Has been consumed me.
Tadi nggak harusnya menang sih dia, takutan bro.
Battle spell is cooldown.
Shit, sakit banget dia. Dia makin belum by one ya? Iya benar, pantas.
Initiate retreat.
Darkness is just a moment away.
Pantesan guys makin belum by one dia.
Shrouded
Enemy
in
missing.
darkness.
Battle spell is cooldown.
Who stole the blueprints? Passed down by 1,000 generations.
Wake up. First blood.
Sengaja cuy ditarik sama di kambing. Sengaja ditarik gimana itu?
It deserves death.
Sakit banget masalahnya Arlot ya guys, kalah gue lawan Arlot. Pukul-pukulan kalah gue.
Darkness.
Ult is ready. Ult is ready.
Nggak kenal lu.
Passed down by 1,000 generations.
soalnya dia pakai emblem ituan, pakai emblem, pakai talent apa namanya.
Watch the bushes.
Aduh, pusing banget bro, pakai emblem ituan nih sakit banget bro. Master Assassin.
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
Stole the blueprints, passed down by 1,000 generations. It's just a moment away.
Launch attack.
Has consumed.
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
How can I go?
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
Sabar lagi. Backup cepet banget dia guys.
The enemy has slain the turtle. Ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
My head hurts. Light to darkness.
Ult is
Just a
ready.
moment away.
Tabrak gak sih?
Ult is not ready. Initiate retreat.
Alamak, tetep aja guys,
An enemy has been slain.
sakit bener.
Down.
Kalah buat ini bro.
Our turret has been destroyed. Launch attack. Our turret is under attack. Has been slain. Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready. Wake
Stole the
up!
blueprints, passed down by 1,000 generations.
Lihat sakit banget bro.
Down. Ult is not ready.
Sakit bener, sakit.
Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain. Launch attack.
Aduh, kagak dilanjutin ya. Waduh, settingannya belum itu dia.
Ult is ready.
Ikut bro, bro. Ah, mama, kagak ikut gua kambing. mati anjir.
Light to darkness. Just a moment.
Enemy ulti not ready. Wake up! Our turret is under attack. Pulse is not ready. Slain an enemy. Double kill. Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under attack. Ult is not ready. Our turret is not ready.
Nggak bisa. Nggak bisa bahasa Inggris. Nggak bisa bahasa Inggris.
Launch attack. Our turret is
Ya, nabrak.
Our turret has been destroyed. Ally has been slain. Our turret is under attack.
How can I go
Our
back?
spell is ready. Our turret has been destroyed.
Aduh, jangan maju dulu nggak sih?
Well played. Okay.
Pusing guys.
Ult is not ready.
Nggak bisa apa-apa Jay Johnson. Nice Lilia. Come on Lilia. Gendong-gendong Lilia.
Light to darkness. It's just a moment away. Shrouded in darkness.
Nggak bisa gue ngapus tuh. Roger nggak sih ke Roger bro?
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Roger nggak sih?
Your team
Ya ampun anjir mana dia bro? Ngapain lihat? Ngapain coba majuin? Emang nge-troll anjing bro.
My head
Well done.
hurts.
Rasanya anjing banget. Bang, tuh sini orang tuh. Kagak ada hujan, kagak ada angin, tiba-tiba datang ya lompat dong. Nice Roger.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Wah langsung hilang palanya dia cok.
Empire can burn.
Hilang palanya dia. Oke guys, jadi udahan dulu kali ya. Udah mau 2 jam juga kan. Kita sudahan dulu nih, foto mitik nih. Oh bisa beli nih ya. Faramis. Clean aja gak sih gue, soalnya biasanya clean sih. Oke lah, sambil nunggu mungkin ya. Nunggu 2
Angela
jam.
tried to dye my fur pink once.
Ciocean kali ya, gue
She's got
ciocean
a
deh.
few
Jadi sambil nunggu 2 jam ya, ciocean aja kali ya. Ini gue ada war ya. Buset, warnya gak imbang sih. Warnya sangat tidak imbang. Lah udah keganti ininya nih.
Barbarian King!
Aman aja cuy, bimbang juga cuy. Lihat, lihat, lihat. Kelas adik-adik. Kita isiin yang cere-cere ya, makanya. Wizardnya lah semua lah. Gue bikin banyak banget guys. daripada kagak diisi kan. Nah, habis. Udah habis guys. Oke, udah reset. Waduh, si baby naganya nih 1.200.000 guys. Kemarin gue pengen naikin apa ya ini. Ini berapa nih? 1 juta. Ini berarti ya? Salah. Ini nggak bisa Jay. Merchant atau kemana nih? 1 hari 12 jam. Merchant ini ya, 1 hari. Mana udah 2 jam belum ya? 3 menit lagi guys. Kita udahan guys. Dua bintang gak sih? Dua bintang, nggak bintang. Halo bang, Zubair Ubeng, mantap. Welcome. Habis di troll tadi gua. Ini game COC bang. Lama kali wak ini wak. Udah sisanya ini aja lah. Lama kali 2 jam ini wak. Udah bang, udah live ML bang. Udah dari tadi aku ML bang. Fanny roaming, bayangannya Fanny roaming, tapi jago dia Fanny dia. Dia tinggal nunggu 2 jam dong ini gua. Oke adik-adik, jadi udah 2 jam pas ya. Kita lanjut besok ya. Lumayan tadi dapat berapa bintang ya? 3 kayaknya. Terima kasih buat yang udah nonton ya adik-adik. Telat bang, ini udahan bang, udah 2 jam. Udah dari pagi gua bang. Oke, jadi terima kasih banyak ya guys ya. Jangan lupa ditonton live-nya besok ya. Gue pengennya magic chest sih sebenarnya. Besok lah lihat. Thank you. Bye bye.